a vibrating steering wheel, shaking in the driver's seat, a pulsing brake pedal. More often than not, these are common customer complaints pointing to a familiar issue: tire vibration. Let's talk about why vibration-related comebacks happen and how to service vibration with wheel balancing. Close to 60% of vibration-related comebacks are due to improper wheel mounting or balancing. The solution to reducing vibration comebacks? It starts with properly balancing your customer's tires. When balancing a tire, a static mounting error on the balancer might be caused by damaged cones or collettes, a worn spring or shaft, or incorrect clamping. These days, alloy wheels generally don't feature a simple tapered center. With different taper angles in use, the cone or collet needs to support the wheel on the structural taper for accurate balancing. If the contact is incorrect, the wheel can shift on the balancer, which causes false readings. This can cause technicians to add unnecessary weights or place them in the wrong spot. Before securing the wheel on the balancer, conduct a spin check and check out your readings. If the balancer indicates different weight amounts in varying locations, it means the wheel was either not centered during the second spin or the first. Double check your mount for repeatability. Aim to have your imbalance readings as close to zero as possible before adding any weights. Following certain steps and using the right mounting tools can help prevent or fix most tire vibration issues. Remember to always mount the wheel using the back coning method on the balancer. This means placing a cone or collet on the back of the wheel to attach the tire and wheel assembly. Back coning helps center the wheel on the balancer, just like a bearing hub centers it on the vehicle. When servicing today's tire and wheel assemblies, use a double-sided low-tapered collect kit. To back cone mount a tire on the balancer, start by placing the spring on the balancer shaft. Then, pick a low taper collet that fits snugly into the back of the wheel's center hole. Slide the collet onto the shaft, followed by the wheel and the adjustable pin plate. Line up the pin plate with the wheel's lug holes and then tighten the hub nut to the shaft. Don't forget to put your balancer in the right mode as well. Weight savings mode calculates the best spots for weights to minimize static imbalance, while Pro Balance mode calculates the best spots to minimize static and couple imbalance to get as close to zero as possible. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.